Okay, before we do anything else, we want to identify the sex of our pigs. And the way we're going to do this is we're going to take our pig, we're going to flip it up onto its dorsal side, and we're going to look at the posterior end towards the anus of the pig. If I take the tail and just flip it over, on a female pig, I'm going to notice a fleshy protrusion here. This is not present on a male pig. This is called the urogenital papilla, only present in the female. This is the obvious identifier that this would be a female pig. If I go to the male pig and I look at that posterior end, there's the anus, and just ventral to the anus, I don't see any urogenital papilla like I did on the female. However, what I can see on the male is a urogenital opening located just below the umbilical cord, right here. This is where the penis would come out of in the male. Females do not have a urogenital opening up here. The urogenital opening on a female is actually located inside of the urogenital papilla, right there. There is no urogenital opening up here. Okay, and that's how you're going to identify the sex of your pig. Please take some time to do that right now.